Let's see one more sum, children. Problems on cone. This is also very interesting. You might be wondering that to every single question is what sir says it's interesting. Sir says it's interesting, but yes, the problems are. Find the length of the canvas 1.5 meter in width, which is required to make a conical tent 48 meter in diameter and 7 meter in height. Given that 10% of the canvas, main point, 10% of the canvas is used in folds and stitches. In stitchings, also find the cost of canvas at the rate of rupees 24 per meter. So two things is what we need to focus in. The first one is 10% of the canvas. I shall make you understand. And the rate, rupees 24 per meter. So if I have to draw the diagram for the same, actually there isn't any diagram, but yes, if you want, you can make a very rough one, that this is what a canvas will be, whose width is given to me 1.5 meter. I intend to find out the length. From the same canvas, I intend to make a cone. Same canvas. I intend to make a cone. The diameter is 48. So can I say the radius is 24? The height is given to me as 7. Is that? Yeah, height is 7. Children, very simple thing. For conical tent, what I require is the first question you have to ask. That when we want to go for a cone or a conical tent, where exactly the canvas is required? Is the canvas required at the base? The answer is no. So where is the canvas required? Around, and that is what we say CSA, curved surface area. So what is the formula for curved surface area is what you have to keep in mind. The curved surface area for a conical tent is pi r L. So very first thing is what I'm going to find out is L. The first thing which I need to find out is L. Let's start our sum now. I've just given you a small summary of the sum. I have not yet told that 10%, which is the main thing, the punchline of this question. So for rectangular canvas, the width given to us, the breadth, or you can say width, B is 1.5 meter. Let L, small l, since we have taken small b, let small l be the length. Right? What is the area of canvas? Therefore, area of canvas is nothing but a rectangular piece, so it is length into breadth, square meter. Right? With this, now I go on to the cone part. They say for conical tent, diameter D is given to me as 48 meter. Therefore, radius is 24 meter. You need to give the relation. Radius is diameter by 2. What is the height given to us, children? The height given to us is 7 meter. Now we'll try to understand a piece of rectangular canvas cloth given to us. We need to convert into a cone. So curved surface area is needed. What is the formula? Pi r L. L is missing. What is the relation between L, R and H? Using the relation. L square is equals to R square plus H square. L square is R square 24 square, H square 7 square. L square is 576 plus 49. L square is 625 mind you. Taking square root, under root of 625, taking square root, L is 25 centimeter. Slant height is what I got as 25 centimeter. Any problem, children? Right? Now comes the first punchline. Given that 10% of the canvas is used in folds and stitching. So 10% of the canvas. Question will be, first we need to find out the curved surface area of the cone. So let me say now CSA, the curved surface area, CSA of cone is pi RL. 22 by 7, radius is 24, L is 25. 25 into 22, 550 into 24 by 7. When you multiply 550 by 24, what answer you get is 13200 by 7. 13200 by 7. This is what is the curved surface area. This is what is the curved surface area square meter. 13200 by 7 is the curved surface area of the canvas cloth, right? Now 10% of the canvas is used in folds and stitchings. 10% of what? 10% of what? Canvas. Can I say curved surface area plus 10% of canvas, and 10% of canvas is LB. When I club them together, finally what I get is nothing but LB. Now what change would have been there if they would have stated 10% of the curved surface area? I would have never written this as 10% of LB. I would have written 10% of CSA. Children, at times you have to read the question. There are questions being set. There are questions being said from the board side that 10% of the CSA has been utilized in folds and stitches. Or at times they say 10% of the canvas being utilized. So you have to be very, very careful. What happens is that if a child doesn't read the question carefully, he or she is going to take 10% of the CSA. So be very careful. CSA, it's 13200 by 7 plus 10%, so 10 by 100 LB. Is LB? It's very simple. If I take this over here, 13200 by 7 is LB minus 10 by 100, or you could have even said 1 by 10. Even you could have said 1 by 10 LB. On solving, you will get 13200 by 7 is 9 by 10 LB, and LB is nothing but the area of canvas, mind you. So what is area of canvas? Area of canvas is, which is LB, 13200. This 10 goes over here, 0 by 9. This will come down into 7. On solving 13200 by 63, on solving 13200 by 000 by 63, the answer you get is 2095.238. 2095.238. Right? Now there are many who must be wondering that how quickly the sir does the calculation. No children, these are not the calculations is what I'm doing it right now. I've already calculated. So in order to save our time, the calculations are being told to you directly. So the area of canvas is 2095.238 square meter. Now what according to you the area is? L into B. B known to us as 1.5. So what is L? L into B is 2095.238. B known to us, L into B is 1.5, which I can write down as 3 by 2. Children, B is 1.5, which I'm writing as 3 by 2, is 2095.238. L is equals to 2095.238 into 2 by 3. When you take this calculation, 2095.238 into 2 by 3, your L turns out to be 1396.83. L turns out to be 1396.83 meter. That's my L. The second thing which I asked you all to remember was find the cost at the rate of 24 per meter. So what meter they are costing? They are costing per meter of the length. They are costing that per meter of the length. So what is my final answer? We are yet to finish off our final answer. What is my final answer? Cost per meter is rupees 24. Therefore, total cost is 24 into, what is the answer of length? The answer for length is 1396.83. The answer for length is 1396.83. When you multiply 24 into 1396.83, the answer what you get is 33523.92 rupees. 33523.92 rupees. Right, children? Once again, what was the main thing to understand in this? 10% of the canvas, thereafter length. So the question said there is a canvas whose breadth is given to us, length is what we are supposed to find out. From the same canvas, we wanted to make a conical tent, but in the process of doing so, there is a wastage of 10% of the canvas. So we have found out first the curved surface area by finding L first, curved surface area. Curved surface area plus 10% of canvas combined together will give me the total area of canvas. 90% of canvas is going to give me curved surface area. Why 90%? Because when 10% goes over there, this is 100% canvas, 10% goes over there is 90%. From our calculation also it is being seen, it is 90%. On calculating, I got my area of canvas. Area is nothing but length into breadth. L into 3 by 2 being stated, 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2. Right? On calculation you got LS 1396.83 per square meter, per meter. Per meter the cost is rupees 24. Total cost is 24 into 1396.83, 33523.92 rupees. Right?